Hey everybody, it's Ryan here, and it's time for another edition of Ryan's Magic Tips. Today we're talking about a business card trick. This is something that I use to exchange business cards with someone. And I'm going to show you the trick just as I would perform it, basically. So I'd ask someone in the group if they have a business card. And I'm going to use Michael's card from Monday Night Magic. And I pull out a couple of my business cards. I'm going to use this nice white one for contrast against mine. I'll show you. Normally, people will be looking down on this, but it's kind of awkward to do that for the camera. So I'm going to give you this view. So you take your card. I've got a couple of mine here. And I'm going to do an illusion that's so small, some people miss it. If I take your card and put it on the bottom, in a moment you'll see something that seems impossible, but if you blink, you miss it. From the bottom, just like that, it appears in the middle. I know, it's tricky, it's subtle. Very small trick, but I'll show that to you again. If we take your card, we'll start it in the middle. And some people say I'm using sleight of hand. I'm going to prove that wrong. I'm only going to use one finger, your card, from the middle to the bottom. See? That's all it takes. That's two of mine, one of yours. I know, David Copperfield goes from one side of the Grand Canyon to the other, and I'm here doing magic of a millimeter. But it's all about the finesse, the style, the flair. One last time. Some people swear they see the moment when it happens. If I take your card, it starts on the bottom. And with just a little rub, they see it move from the bottom to the middle. And that is a miracle. And if you don't mind, Michael, I'm going to hang on to your card, but I'll tell you what, you can have one of mine. So that is my business card trick. It's not my trick, it's actually, the trick itself is Larry Jennings' Close-Up Illusion. And it was originally written up and performed with 3 playing cards. I switched it over to business cards for the reason of being able to exchange business cards. And also, who needs another card trick, really? So it's Larry Jennings' trick, but I'm actually using Jeff Williams' handling of it. He published it, he called it the I Hate David Copperfield trick. And I don't quite remember why he called it that. It has something to do with his presentation for it. But the I Hate David Copperfield trick is Jeff Williams' handling of Larry Jennings' Close-Up Illusion. Same method, very similar technique, but just a couple different touches on it, which I think are great. So I do those. And that's it. Now, I use this trick for business cards because pretty much all of my business cards are double-sided. There's printing all over the place. And I want to make sure that I'm using my business cards for marketing and not leaving a blank area, which a lot of magic tricks require to use. So that's it. That's my tip for the day. Check out this trick and get some business cards. See you later.